Abby, are you ready to do a giant bath bomb test? Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Hi, my name is Hudson. I'm 5 years old. Hi, I'm Abby. I'm 3 years old. Come learn with us. And let's have some fun. We're gonna make bath bombs. First, we're gonna put the baking soda in.
Yeah, put it in. So that was half a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of citric acid, that's a quarter cup of Epsom salts, there, a quarter cup of cornstarch.
For sure, this will not be eating. If you ate a bath bomb, you would be already dead. But the acid will explode in your body.
You know, candy, sour candy, it has citric acid.
But you can only eat the bath bomb because the bath bomb
You shouldn't eat the bath bombs, but...
Nothing bad in the bath bomb. Now?
Okay, so now we're gonna put the castor oil in. Sprinkle it on. Now we're gonna put the fragrance in. The fragrance is the only one that's left. Can you guys smell it and tell me what it smells like?
It smells like yummy soap.
That's apricot, honey, vanilla.
Okay, now. Oh, I love it. Now we're gonna put our color in. One, two, three. Mine looks like cherry. Mine looks like lemon. I don't like lemon. Mine is perfect. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water. Hey, look at mine. Mine is good. Perfect yellow. Mine is good. Mine is perfect yellow. Mine is perfect. Hey, Mama, mine is perfect. Yay. Crack every piece of like rock. If you see some of these things, we have to crack them. Crack, crack, crack. No, you're happy. You're making a big mess. They look like powder. It looks like baby powder.
Squeeze them all together and clump them.
I want a little bit more. Me too. This is so fun. Wait. You know how I do it? I press it. I'm in like a giant chuck.
Whoa, look at that.
Daddy, this thing looks so good.
That's so good.
I'm going to press it.
Okay, so let me see you guys clump yours. Let me see it. Squeeze it into a ball. Good job. Abby, let me see yours. Wow, let me see yours. Squeeze it into a ball, Abby. Wow. Let me see yours, Hudson. That's got a little bit too much water in it, but that's good. It'll still work. Okay, guys, can we put our bath bombs into the snow mold? We're gonna make like colorful snowflakes here.
Put it in this one. I'm gonna put mine in this one. I don't have enough. Okay. Here. Thank you.
I think you guys have done really good. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna let those set for a few minutes, and then we're going to put them in water and see how they work, okay?
I'm gonna wash my hands, and then after I want to get a cupcake. Okay, Mama?
Wow! 1 hour later.
Okay, show me your bath bombs. Wow, and Abby, show me yours.
Look. Who's gonna put in first?
Are you ready? Set,
Go.
go. Whoa!
No, I'm not gonna get it. No. I didn't know it was gonna work. It is too good to work. I didn't know it was gonna work. And look at it.
Oh no, you guys. It overflowed.
Uh-oh. Basically, there's a big mess. It's our fault. It's our fault. Who put it in the Uh-oh. We have to clean up it so much. Give me for a while. So calm. It's gonna be good for a bath. So calm, so calm.
Two hours later.
Abby, are you ready to do a giant bath bomb test? Yeah, so the last one we did, we only threw 2 bath bombs in the water, right? And that was the 2 that you guys made. Now, guess how many we have?
6.
Are you guys ready? All right.
We're ready for sure. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Ready, steady. Let's put them in.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video.